So is it really ridiculous to consider buying a property right now at a high price? What if this property that you're buying is actually on an upward trend? Now if you recall in 2017, the prices were considered very high, record high. But look at where we are right now as compared to 2017. Now a lot of owners grapple with this dilemma. If I sell now at a high, wouldn't I have to buy at a high? Now if we were to take a look at the prices across the years for HDB resale as well as private property, you realize that the prices generally trends upwards. So does this mean that you will never get a chance to sell? And does this mean that you will have to hold on to the same property forever? The longer you hold the property, especially for leasehold, there will be lease decay, there will be new launches that will be competing. It's going to be more difficult to fetch a desirable price as the years goes by. So when you eventually decide to sell, you may not get a price you want as compared to a market like right now where there is demand. Then what should you do? You can consider swapping out of your property into another. So let's say for example you have this very nice potted dried flowers that is in demand. You have been sitting on negative sale for the previous years and finally this is your chance to sell it at a profit. So you sell this, you get a profit, you buy into another property that is at the beginning of an upward trend. Let's say this. And so yes, although you buy high, but you have the ability to sell higher. And that is how your profit continues to grow. So let's take a look at a real life scenario. So this client bought Caspian in 2009 and the price appreciated because it was a new launch. As Caspian starts to stagnate in the price from 2014 onwards, the client actually sold Caspian and bought into Bartley Ridge. And Bartley Ridge was just at the beginning of the upward trend. And therefore, this client has managed to continue to grow profits. So this is a strategy that you might want to consider. So I hope you found this tip useful and I'll see you in the next tip.